So we're going to get into the solo here. Okay, so we slide into the 12th fret of the D string with the ring finger. Then we go to the 10th fret on the G string, and then we're going to go to the 12 on the G string and bend that. After the 2 bends, we go going down the 10, second string to first string. Okay, so we're going to have a pull off here. 13, 10 on the second string, 12 on the G, little 10, so we got. And then we're going to go. So another 13, 10, 12 to 10 on the second this time, and then I hear a little flat fifth in there. Then we have a 10, 12 on the A to 10 on the D, and then we're going to get into a new measure. So let's look at what we have so far. We have. So 2 12s on the D there after the double pull off. We got that 10, 12 to 10. So we have 10. We're using this 12 in the A string, coming back and forth. Be sure to download the free tabs on this one. It helps out a lot. Okay, so we have. Now this next one's going to go. So quite a few notes in a row there. Kind of going to the 12, then a little 10 at the end. There we go. So we got pull off, 12 back to 10, quick slide, 12 to 10, 8, 2 big 10s down there. So we got. Okay, then we're gonna go. A couple pickup notes, slide into the 12th fret of the A, 10th fret of the D. And then we get into. So 10, 11, 12, chromatic thing on the D string. To the 10 on the G. We got it up and down on this 12 in the G. Okay, so we have. Then we go. Okay, so we had a pull off, 13, 10 on the second, 12, 10 on the third, 13, 10 on the first string, 13 and 13 bend on the second, a little 10 and 13, couple bends, so we got. Thirteen kind of comes down on that second string after the 10 to 13, little 10 to 13 and 10 on the second. So we have a, and then another one of these, 12, 10, little bend on that 10 on the G string, 12, 12, and at the end of that 12, 12, a little bit of a 10 on that G. Okay, then we're going to move into a new position. We're going to slide into the 14 and 13 here. So we slide middle finger to the 14 on the G and then 13 on the second string. So we have a couple pickup notes here before this new measure. Okay, so this is a lead in 2 notes here we got. And now the new measure is going to go da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da, da-da-da, with one of those at the end. Da-da-da-dee-da-dee-da. So we got that 15 and 13 in play there. So here we're going to have a pull off, 14 to that 13, slide on down to that 10, bend that 13 on the second string, and it's going to have a bend to 2 little 10s there, little chord. we have. So we're going to bend this 13 on the first string, full step, and then half step. And then 10, 10, 13, 10, 13 up and down, so it's. So da da do de. Okay, so let's go back a little bit again. We got. Okay, then we go 10 to 10. So it's 5 of these 13 to 10 and then 13 on the second. With that as a lead in. (13, 15, 13 to 15 on the second. Hit that again, then we're going to slide into the 16 with the middle on the G. We got the 15 down here. Bend that 18 up. Little 15 a couple times. Another 18 down. 15, 17. Got that 15, 18, 15. Hammer on, pull off. Okay, so let's look at this last stuff we got. Okay, so that whole lead again we got. Okay, then we have the double lead. So we're using 7 and 5 in the G string here. Slide to the 10. Hammer on, pull off, 7, 10, 7. 10 on the D, back to the 10, into the 12. Same type of thing, hammer on, pull off, the lower note and back. So we got. Now we're gonna have a. So 10 to 12 on the D to 10 on the G. And then D string, hammer on, pull off. And then starting on the A to the D string there. Got that 12, 10, 8. We're going to bend this 12 in the G. Little 13 happens at some point after that bend. And then we'll bend up and down. And then you get one of those. I kind of go higher on the second string. And then the third string is kind of that 1 fret lower, just naturally where my other finger is. And it kind of creates that kind of sound effect, kind of cool. And we end with. Okay, so 13 on the second. Up and down, 12 to 10, that 12 there. So we got. Okay, then the other part of that double lead where we go. right? That's going to start on the 10 on the B string. Okay, so it's going to go 10, 10, and 8, and then up to the 13. So okay, so we have the hammer on pull off, 10, 13, 10, 12, and back up to the 15. We have the hammer on pull off, 13 and 15 to the 14 and back. We end with 8 to 10 to 8. Hammer on pull off to the 10 on the G. And then 7 to 9 to 8. 9, 7, 5. We're going to bend that 5. Okay, so the last part is. So the harmony part, this lower one, starts on the 10. Okay, and then it's going to end with one of those things. Okay, so then we're going to get into the second solo now. We got. Okay, so something like that. We're going to have a bend on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. You can either go 6 not bent and then to the little 3 down here to get your G note, or you can bend up again to get that G note. But I'll hit that 3 this last time because we have to do a big bend on that 8 on the 2nd string. So that gives me a minute to jump over here into the new space. And we have a 3 on the 2nd to 5 on the G string and back there. We have a 3, 5, 3. Quick hammer on pull off, 3, 6, 3, and that 5 and back. So we got. So we have a big bend and then a smaller bend. Okay, so then hammer on pull off and back, all those same notes. Then we're going to slide into this 11 and use the 10s underneath it, 11 on the G string. We got 10, 10, we got. We get into a series of 10 to 13 on the 2nd string to 10 on the 1st string. And some of the tabs will say there's a bit of a bend on that 13 if you can get that going. So we're going to have. At the end, we're going to have a 10, 10 bend. And then a bend with a little 10, 10. One of those 5 times things again, those kind of series of 3 notes. 13, 10 to 10. And then the same. Here we're going to get into a chromatic riff, so let's go on back and see what we got. We got. So we got that 13, 15, 13, a couple of these 15s. And then we're going to slide into that 15 and have 13, 14, 15. 3 bends there. 15, 13, 14, 2 15s. 13, 15. And that goes 15, 15. Hammer half step. Slide that one down. I'm going to slide back into the 14, 13. 2 big bends on that 15. Okay, so we come in with a 14, 13, 2 big bends on the 15 on the 2nd. down. We're going to slide that one on down. So we come down from the 15 bend. 13, 14, down to 12 there. Kind of a slower one, then a quicker one. Little 10 as an afterthought on that one, then into 16 and 15. So let's go back a little bit again. We got. Okay, and then 16, 15, we're going to bend the 17, little 17 underneath it. Slide that one down. Back into the 16, 15. Okay, so 17 bend to 15, 17, and 17 up. This one can get kind of wide here. So we got. Okay, so 14, 16 to 15. And then we get into the next one, 14, 16, 15, 18, 15, 17 to 15. Bend the 18, 18 to 15, bend the 13. So let's look at all that we got. Okay, so we got that ending from the live version. $13.10. Bend that 12 on the G. Gonna hit that 10 on the second. Got a 12 bend, couple 10s, pull off. And then bend again. 10, 10. Couple pull-offs. Okay, got a. Okay, so here goes that second solo again. We got. Needle and the Spoon, Lynyrd Skynyrd from the great Second Helping album.